Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can archive boards in your Monday.com workspace. So let us dive into this. So navigate to Monday.com, access your workspace here on the left-hand side. Let me go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. And what you want to do next, guys, is click into your profile icon in the top right, select Administration, and from there expand the tidy up section here to the left. And here, guys, you will see that list organize your data. So from there you can remove, archive, or restore boards and items within your account. So you will see boards and archive boards listed below. So navigate to boards and simply select the board you would like to archive. Let me go with that one here. And here to the right, you will see that archive button, click into it, and that's it. After that, the board will be moved to that tab here, archive board. So you can restore or unarchive it from here. And that's it, guys. That's how you archive boards on Monday.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.